Hey everyone, I'm Dave. We're gonna share with you today ribeye with a bourbon cream sauce. It is as good as it sounds. Let's get started. Okay, the grill's up to temperature. I've got all the vegetables cut for the ribeye and for the just zucchini. I'm gonna get the topping for the zucchini ready. I'm gonna rip up some basil just into medium-sized pieces. Add a little lemon zest, a little olive oil, and a little crushed red pepper. Just a pinch of salt and a little pinch of coarse pepper as well. We'll mix that up and that'll top that off after we grill the zucchini. All right, now the fun begins. These ribeyes look incredible. Again, these were dry brined for a little over 30 hours and they almost look dry aged. They smell amazing already. But again, it was just a simple dry brine with kosher salt. Now we're gonna be adding my just steak rub. It's kosher salt, coarse pepper, equal parts, with just a bit of granulated garlic and granulated onion for flavor. We're gonna coat both sides with that. Let that sit for a little bit here, and then we're gonna get our bourbon cream sauce started. The pan's been on here warming up, so now we're gonna take our butter and a little garlic. Let that heat up on the pan a little bit. And then the fun part, we're gonna add our bourbon. Oh, that smells so good. So now as soon as that gets going, we're gonna take our beef broth, dump that in. Now that beef broth, for me, I use drippings from a prime rib I did the other day. If you don't have that laying around, any beef broth will do. Again, we're gonna add in with our whipping cream, just a little bit of flour. Stir that up before we put that in the hot pan or it'll clump up on you. Once we've got that stirred up in there, we're gonna dump that in and start whisking it immediately on there. Oh, the smell of that's incredible. We're gonna add in some fresh ground pepper. And that's all that's gonna go in the bourbon cream sauce, and it will add so much flavor and decadence to your ribeye. Oh, that's fantastic. We're gonna let that continue to cook on the plancha and kind of thicken up as we go. We're gonna push it off here to the back so we can get everything else started. Gonna get the grilled onions on and the mushrooms on. Add a little olive oil. We're gonna get the zucchini going over here in a second too, but first we're gonna get the ribeyes started. I like using avocado oil. It burns at a higher rate so you don't get that burn taste on your crust. Oh, and you can hear that nice sear. Oh, beautiful. Everything's sizzling. There's just something great about that. While we've got this all going, we're gonna get the zucchini started as well over here. Zucchini tastes so good on the grill. Time to check out. Oh, look at that beautiful sear. Incredible sear on these ribeyes. I wish I could share these smells with you. It's incredible. The grilled onions and mushrooms come along great. The sear on the ribeyes is absolutely incredible. Flip these over. They're getting a nice sear already. Okay, we're gonna check the steaks here. Look at the sear on that side too. I'm gonna give a quick temperature check. They're getting close, but still needs to cook a little longer, so we're just gonna push these back. Onions and mushrooms just seem to get better and better the longer they sit on the grill, as long as you don't have them on the high heat still. I'll get this back up to a little bit of a boil so that it can get a little thicker for us. These are also perfect, so we'll take off the zucchini. All right, we're gonna get off the grilled onions and mushrooms. These smell amazing. These will be so good with the cream sauce and the ribeye. This is exactly how I like my sauce. If you like it a little thicker, you can cook it a little, leave it on there a little longer. It'll thicken up more for you. but that's perfect for me, so I'm gonna slide it down here. The meat is incredible. The smell coming off, it's crazy. It's rested. We're gonna slice this up, put on the plates. Oh my goodness. The sear it gets on the plancha just adds so much flavor on both sides. It is insanely good. We're gonna plate this one whole. Get it coated with the bourbon cream sauce. Lay down some beautiful grilled zucchini. And our little zucchini garnish we developed earlier, we're gonna sprinkle over the top. And of course, you've gotta cover that with the onions and the mushrooms. That looks amazing. So now we've got the one we left whole, the one where we're sharing with some slices, the beautiful grilled onions, the grilled mushrooms on top, the zucchini with its own garnish. The bourbon cream sauce just adds this extra decadence to a ribeye that's already such a wonderful tasting meat that I can't describe. Don't be intimidated by it. It's really easy to do and you will impress your friends. Definitely give it a shot. Again, I'm Dave with Backyard BBQ Smokehouse. Thanks for joining me and letting me cook one of my favorite dishes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you want to see cook next. We'd be happy to do it for you. And remember, spread love through barbecue.